If you started investing in 2008, then you enjoyed the longest bull run in market history, which was flanked by the 2008 global financial crisis and the recent COVID-19 pandemic. The next crypto bull run is inevitable, and it is the perfect time for Cardano to call the shots in price and value. But the crypto market is unpredictable, so is it safe to reach this conclusion about Cardano? Despite the just concluded summer across many parts of the world, the crypto market remains chilly. While some have seen the latest crypto winter as a buying opportunity, especially for those who missed out on the final quarter of 2021, others lost their mettle, permitting fear to prompt them into selling off or thinning out their bags. However, the next bull run is highly anticipated. The previous crypto bull run revolved around Bitcoin since crypto waters rise and fall depending on how Bitcoin moves. Analysts argue that Bitcoin moves in 4-year cycles, with various on-chain factors such as regulatory concerns or price instability. In 2011, Bitcoin had its first bull run, with its price increasing from $1 to $32, which turned out to be a breathtaking growth of more than 3,200%. But as Confucius once said, Bitcoin's greatest glory is not in never falling, but rising every time it falls. Such astonishing Bitcoin prices were short-lived. By November 2011, the prices were down back to $2. While 2012 was far from a year of drastic bull runs for the crypto market, Bitcoin managed to end the year at $13. On a 1-year scale, the growth was significant. Of course, you won't find a 650% growth in stocks and metals. The spikes and dips identified with bull runs and bear markets respectively continue to date. At the end of 2021 into the early months of 2022, Bitcoin dipped as low as $35,000, and quite several cryptocurrency memes flooded the entire space, poking fun at Bitcoin's wild roller coaster ride of price and value. According to reports, Bitcoin's price reached an all-time high of $65,000, which was an indication of a bull run that has since cooled. With its massive fluctuations, Bitcoin has maintained its identity as the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Generally, most cryptocurrency have hit lows, but Cardano ADA looks capable of weathering the storm. Currently, we are witnessing a bear market, and according to so many Bitcoin maximalists, all bear runs are followed by bull runs. Cardano ADA has had its fair share of turbulent swings in price, but its recent performance has justified the fact that there is light at the end of the tunnel. With no doubt, Cardano ADA will fuel the next crypto bull run. But is this vain assurance? Well, of course not. For most people, Bitcoin is the face of the cryptocurrency market, but there are tens of thousands of other cryptocurrencies in existence, and the number is only expected to increase. If altcoins can make it big among investors, the overall crypto market can enter a bull run, which could also be influenced by specialized altcoins that represent specific projects, solve specific problems, or are simply greater and more energy efficient cryptocurrencies. The next crypto bull run could even occur from a surge in interest in altcoins such as Cardano, which has been touted as the Ethereum killer. According to Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum founder, bear runs are good for cryptocurrencies, as they give developers the chance to work on underlying technology since there is less short-term speculative attention. Widespread attention may fuel the next bull run as the corresponding development of a supporting Bitcoin infrastructure might facilitate the ease and use of crypto. This implies that as more users and use cases get involved with Cardano, the more valuable it becomes. It adds consumer confidence, a willingness on the part of investors to put their money into financial offerings. Other factors will usher in the return of the crypto bull market, but the coins will be behind the surge. However, the whole crypto market is still melting down and investors have turned their backs on risky investments in 2022 amid the geopolitical struggles, an increase in inflation, supply chain challenges in nearly every industry, and more. The crypto sector took the brunt of the market-wide correction, but it's important to consider that there is indeed a crypto bull run and Cardano will successfully lead this move. Cardano is all set to launch its new Vasil hard fork sometime soon. The blockchain also registered a commendable performance by gaining more than 5% in the last 7 days. With this, it has outperformed several other cryptos with higher market capitalizations, including Ethereum. The Vasil hard fork, also tagged as the miracle the Cardano community has been waiting for, is scheduled to go live on September 22nd. This has sparked significant excitement and the development and testing has been going smoothly. According to Input Output Global, Plutus, the smart contract platform of the Cardano blockchain, will receive a huge update with Vasil. The Plutus v2 scripts introduced with Vasil will provide higher transaction throughput and increased cost efficiency, thus skyrocketing the value and capability of the Cardano network. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, also stepped into the story and tweeted about how Cardano was at its best despite a plunge in its price over recent weeks. He said, "A universal truth about crypto is that the markets are disconnected from reality. Cardano has never been stronger, and frankly, many other projects are also solid. It is also interesting that a well-known crypto influencer, Dan Garmendello, recently hinted at a possible bull rally for multiple coins, including ADA. According to him, the current market conditions shared striking similarities with the 2018 bear market, creating an opportunity for a price surge soon. Exciting, right? Also, while developments in the community and reports from influencers and officials seem promising, certain metrics have painted the pictures of ADA's market value realized value, or MVRV ratio, which increased slightly as compared to the previous week. This may be considered as a hint towards a possible uptick. Daily active addresses have also increased since the beginning of August, indicating the presence of users on the network. However, on-chain transactions and profit declined regardless of ADA's recent gains, which seem bearish. Development activity, flanked by social volume, also followed a similar downward trend, which might restrict ADA from moving up further in the short term, but its strengths are likely to overshadow its weaknesses. Most digital assets have been struggling to show a positive price performance in the cryptocurrency market. Despite moving in a prolonged downtrend, the ADA coin is constantly testing local resistance levels and aiming for rapid recovery, as the overall profitability of the asset is still at one of the lowest levels compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is only the beginning of September, and Cardano's vibrant ecosystem has seen many releases and additions like the confirmation of the Vasil hard fork, Jura wallet release, and successful AADA finance audit. Many industry experts believe projects like Cardano will blossom during the next bull run, as the fundamental value of networks will be the defining factor during the next growth cycles on the market, and speculative assets like Shiba Inu will no longer attract users. Well, this could happen if markets become extremely overbought once again. With these kind of reports, it is difficult to doubt Cardano's outstanding potential. But what will happen to the Cardano and the ADA coin price before the crypto market embraces a bull run? Well, it can't be predicted for now, but certain factors can help Cardano keep warm during this crypto winter. Probably the constant local resistance and a solid recovery plan might be employed. ADA is looking to break the 50-day moving average, which turns out to be the most common barrier for cryptocurrencies going through a downward spiral. If Cardano achieves this, the next resistance level will be at the price of 70 cents. Furthermore, with some of the most cutting-edge features in the industry, analysts seem assured that Cardano is a great long-term investment. One of the main catalysts for the growing excitement in the Cardano community is the scheduled date for the Vasil hard fork. The social volume is also up the charts, combined with price increase and positive market sentiment, which led to a whopping amount of attention coming from crypto whales. It's important to note that when thinking about which cryptocurrencies will go up in 2022, we also have to consider the role of a few key investors. Crypto whales possess a disproportionately large holding relative to other investors, making them capable of triggering a bull run. Cardano ADA is lucky to have these whales. Over the past few days, whale transaction counts were on the rise. This is an indication that they were buying the news amid the Vasil upgrade. Major analysts strongly believe that Cardano would record a stellar performance in the next bull run due to the network's fundamental value and robust features. But at the end of the day, are you still skeptical about the possibility of a crypto bull run? I mean, spring follows winter, right? Then that's it, and that settles it. Cardano will gather the attention of the entire crypto community. But what are your thoughts on this? Let's have them in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out other videos to find out how Ethereum is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.